Everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. All of these releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will let you know that this will be the last week to pick up the mystery kit, the subscription. I probably will be shipping those towards the end of this week, and then they will no longer be available in this month. So cute, new foil bundle design, so very excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. We'll just go ahead and start at the top. The first thing here is the new Doodle color this week, and it's a really pretty pink glitter. So it's a sparkly pale pink. It also has hints of purple, but it's so stinking pretty, and I am obsessed. Whenever these go live, they are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern all the way through Sunday, so definitely pick them up during that time. But I am obsessed, and this will look so good with so many spreads with the pink and purple hues in there. Love that. There was also 2 requests for some neutral doodles. This is 871, which is the neutral audiobook, and then 872, which is the neutral AirPods. Then I have something that I actually haven't even tested, so I should probably get that out to test. But these are going to be the cover up strips for the monthlies. I had a comment, and then also I know Kittenish Jess prefers her months to be Monday through Sunday versus Sunday through Saturday. So I came up with the idea of making these strips to cover up the days that are currently in the month. And then they kind of range in colors from a kind of black color to a light gray. So you have options to what matches. Honestly, this one would they'll really match anything. It's just going to be your preference. So let's go ahead and just grab one of these. So this one here is the Erin Condren. So this is the Erin Condren sheet. So let's go ahead and just grab one right from the middle. Actually, I haven't tested these, so if they're wrong, we'll go ahead and fix it. But you can just go ahead and overlay that right on top. And then on the other side, we could grab the one right underneath it and go ahead and overlay it here as well. And it's perfect. So it's a little bit of a way to make them a little bit more universal while still being able to offer them the most popular way, standard. So those will be available in both the Erin Condren size as well as the A5 wide size. I think those look pretty stinking good. They are very skinny, but I mean, they do their job of covering up what they need to cover up. So we do have those coming out this week. Let me know what you think. I could also do maybe a pastel rainbow, so that it rainbows down would be cool, or I could do individually colored ones. Y'all let me know. I do have 3 foil bundles I'm going to be releasing this week. These are all in the Groovy design. I'll show it to you in silver because it's the easiest way to see it, but this is going to be available in gold, silver, and hollow, and this is our Groovy design. Super cute, very universal, especially with the art sets that are coming out recently. So here you have these 6 full boxes along with the headers, which are really cute, simple flower pattern. And then you have the wavy check underlays, as well as the new icons with the scripts. And then you have this page here that has the 15mm strips, the headers, the deco, and the date numbers. So these are lovely, and you'll be able to match them with so many different spreads. Super cute, super cute, super cute. And these are always on sale from Wednesday through Sunday as well. So definitely pick them up when they're on a discount, because I think it's 30% off, which is awesome. And we do have 3 kits this week. I didn't do a pop mystery because I had so much art that was backlogged, so I wanted to get through some of that, and then I'll get back to the pop mysteries. So the first thing here is going to be Summer Boardwalk. This was last year's April mystery, so I wanted to go ahead and release this. I did remove the fashion people from here because this scene is so detailed when you zoom in, so I thought these would be really cute, and you could also do quote boxes on them. So love that. Definitely actually might be pulling in this reformat because I think I had this scheduled in for July ? So love this. I think it's so cute. I love the colors and the patterns. This is exclusive art by Jess. The papers are by Jess, and I think it is so stinking pretty. I love the ombre bottom washi, of course, and the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is alternate skin tones for this hand. You can either leave them as is, or you can Frankenstein them and make your perfect little match, which I love. So that is the ultimate kit. Also does come in a mini, and then add-on options wise, you got them all. You got them literally all. So we do have the label 2, which is the new label 2. You have the 6 glitter headers, the 3 of each little things along with the boxes down here, so pattern and solid. You have ombre, you have doodle 2 and doodle 1. You have pattern boxes, all 6 scribbler sheets, and then there is fan boxes, so you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 available if you want to pick those up. You can also pick them up, like let's say you haven't used this kit and you just want to pick up some of the extras. They will match so beautifully, so perfectly, and give you more options. So that is Summer Boardwalk. The next kit here is going to be Daisy, which is a really pretty like spring summer set. It's giving me August for some reason with the like yellows and greens. It is a really, really pretty. So a really simple anytime kind of like fashion kit with the daisies. You got some books, you got some guitars, you got some knitting, you got outfits, you got fashion people. You got it all. You got a really nice muted pastel color palette, which we love. Some more boxes here, which the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the different skin tones for this box here, but it's really, really pretty. I love the grass in the background. It's just so, so, so good. And that bottom washi, this would look really pretty with the Daisy foil bundle, which I just released a bunch of colors last week. I think it'd be really pretty with like silver, but also be really pretty with a matte color as well. Also does come in a mini, and then let me show you the add-on options. So you have Doodle and Doodle 2. You have the label sampler along with ombre, and then you have the pattern boxes along with all 6 scribbler sheets. So that is Daisy. Super pretty, very anytime, but vibes for the summer. And then last but not least, I got so many messages about doing this art, and here she is. This is going to be one where you're gonna want to pull out a fun foil. If it's blue, purple, pink, you're gonna want to pull it out. Hollows, sparklies, or if you want to do like champagne lights with this, I think that'd be really, really pretty as well. It's just stunning and beautiful and perfect, and it's called Mermaid. I love the colors in this. It's like my perfect mermaid palette. Like I love purple, blue, pink, light blue all together. It's just a vibe. You have the double box scenes, the fashions. Hold on, let me show you. You have these on the front, and then there's these ones as well. So they are 4 different fashion people, and I'm obsessed. I love their hair. I went with all colorful because I just think that that was the vibe. Patterns are really pretty. Again, these colors of the shark, and then the box here perfect for a quote deco, and I love this jellyfish. It's probably one of my favorite elements in this. It just looks so stinking pretty. So that again is Mermaid, and again, I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute. Definitely a summer must-have, and I need to know, like, are you gonna go colorful or are you gonna go like champagne lights? Because I feel like both of them are going to be a vibe in their own, and I'm like, I have like leaning both ways, but like the more I think about it, the more I think champagne lights would be really, really epic with it. Also comes in a mini kit, and then as far as add-on options, you do have the Doodle 2. You have label sampler along with label 2, which is like a little bit of a darker blue. And then you do have the ombre, the pattern, and then all 6 scribblers as per the new usual. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. Like I said, don't forget to pick up the mystery if you haven't already. It's a super cute anytime theme that I'm really obsessed with. And again, the foil is like a new design that I am very excited about as well. It has like the whole reinforcers and everything, which is very, very fun. And that is going to be everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases as per always. I am very, very excited. I really love these strips, and I hope you do too, because I feel like it just gives more options, you know. And I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sets on there. It's just whatever could fit on my standard size page. And that, my friends, is everything, and I hope you're having a great Monday or whatever day you're watching this, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye!